Back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to simulate utilization changes before you pay in Credit Karma. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to simulate utilization changes before you pay in Credit Karma, all you can do is simply use Credit Karma's credit score simulator. So once you access your Credit Karma account, you can simply find this credit score simulation to model the impact of credit utilization changes before you pay. This tool allows you to explore how factors like paying down debt or increasing your credit limit would affect your score, though the results are estimates. So you need to access the simulator, then explore scenarios like paying down your balance to lower utilization, requesting a credit limit increase, opening a new credit card, view estimated impact, and remember the limitations as well. It's important to remember that these are just simulations and the final impact on your credit card score can vary. So this is how you can simply do it. I hope you found this video helpful. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and to give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.